camping today.
I have 2 bags. One in the floor, one over here.
So, stop over muna kami sa may gas station. And dito din mag-meet yung mga friends ni Cheryl.
I'm making bracelets.
She recently opened her business.
You can buy in Blazo.
Just message us on TikTok. I'll leave it here. I'm currently reading this book. Hindi ko matapos-tapos kasi wala akong time. But hopefully this video yan.
Bakit magulog? Optimus Prime! Yeah, bebe. Matcha-cha ka na sa sama.
Ayan, go daw tayo. Go.
And we have cards.
Then?
Sige. Sige pa. Isa po finger lang.
So yung isa na, yung meron kasi kami dalawa na mag-expire. Salamat po sa pagkain. So kailangan ko na itawag pag binawas, tumawag pa ako ulit para malift yung ano.
Kahit kung sugba, ito yung nasugba.
Yung fine.
Can you bring it home?
I'll tell mommy and daddy.
Baba natin siya. Or nagdi-jump talaga.
So, piso naman.
Sorry.
Nine to 4 lang yung tindahan.
Close, no?
For
Hindi masyado. Sakto lang.
so, ayan.
Hey. Here. It's $10 per hour. You do it. Check. Legs. The legs. Kung ka nga dyan mag-baby strike dogs.